Alright, time to take a look at the 70-in-1 action camera accessory set. Got a nice case with it. That's cool. It's got a little carry handle on the top. Whoa. Alright, so we got some instructions. We got a little pouch. Got a whole bunch of these clip mounts and these double stick adhesive pads. And you can see we got both the flat and the curved surfaces. So if you want to put this on the helmet or something like that, you can use that. And if you just want to put this on like a wall, you can use this. And then we got the clips for it. So these will just slide in like that, and it locks in secure. If you want to release it, press in, pull out. We've actually got a handful of those. Oh, and a couple different styles as well. We got 3 of the shallow clips, and then we have 2 of the tall clips. So if you need to get a steeper angle or get a little bit further away, you can use that. We got a whole bunch of these thumb screws, which is great because this seems to be the thing that I always end up running short on. We got 7 of them, so that's a ton. Then we've got a couple of different style adapters. So if you want to go from one of these to a 1/4-20, you can use this. If you want to go from a 1/4-20 to GoPro style, you can use that. And then if you need to change the angle, so if you want to rotate that 90 degrees, you can use this. We got a Velcro strap, so if you want to just put this thing on a tree branch, you can do that. This does rotate, so you can put it whatever direction that you want it. You need to just put this around your wrist. A very versatile mounting option. We got a wrench, and it comes with a lanyard. And I like that this is red, so if you just take this and throw it in there, you'll still be able to easily see it and pull it out. You can see it clips right onto the end of those screws, so if you need to tighten it down a little bit extra, like if you're going to be putting this on your car or something like that, you want to make sure it doesn't come unlocked, you can use that. We got some more adapters. So this is a clamp mount, so if you want to put this on handlebars or something like that, you can do that. These just loosen up. You can slide that on and tighten it up. So very nice to have this. Then we got another style 90-degree adapter, so instead of going from a 1/4-20 to a GoPro style, this goes from a GoPro to a GoPro. We got a second one just like it, but this one's a little bit taller, so if you need more reach, you can do that. Then we got our suction cup mount, so this will just stick to a flat surface. You pull that in, you can see it sucks that in, so that'll pull all the air out. So you'll have a nice good grab with this guy. You get it off, sometimes it can be difficult, so we got this little tab so you can kind of peel that back. And this is a clip style right here. We have an alligator clip style that has a very nice strong spring on it, which is going to be great. You can just clip this right to your shirt, to your jacket, to your baseball cap, whatever. Then we have a safety strap, so this is double stick adhesive. You stick it onto there. And then you can take this and tie it onto your GoPro, so you have a secondary mount just in case anything fails. If you're going to be doing anything crazy, it's always a good thing to have. We got some padding. Then we got our floaties, so they're going to be going into a particularly deep part of the water. You can put this on, then you don't have to worry about that thing sinking. And because it's a bright yellow, even if it's far away, you'll still be able to see it. It also comes with a tether, so you can make sure you got that attached to it, and another bolt. We got our tripod. This has nice foam material on here, so it's very squishy, which is going to be great. And it feels like it's just kind of a wire inside there, so you can bend this however the heck you want to. One of the things that's nice about this one is it actually has a ball head on it, so you can take this and you can move it around. So even when you get the feet aligned the way that you want it, you can also align the camera the way that you want it. We got an extension bar, so if you want to get this a little bit further away so you can see more of the action, you can use this. We got another piece of Velcro strap, so we can just take this, hook it through here, and then strap that down. So always good to have strap. And we've got our chest mount. So nice elastic material. It's got a clip in the center, and we have this clip right here, so you can take this, throw it over your neck, then clip this around your back, and you'll have a nice secure mount right on your chest. And this is adjustable, so with that elastic, and this is a very elastic material, you're gonna be able to fit this on pretty much anybody. Here we got our helmet mount. You can see this is a somewhat flexible material. So this is gonna be able to go right onto the jaw of the helmet, and then you got all these straps that you can use to attach it however the heck you want to. This is the style that I use the most. This is the head mount. So we got a strap that goes over the top, and then another strap that goes around the side. And again, this is nice flexible material. And we have some rubber right here on the inside to make sure that this is going to be sliding around on your head when you need to use it. It does have an adjustment, so you can slide that up and down depending on the size of your head. And we have our clip here on the front. We got another clip. So this is another mount that's going to go onto a helmet, and this is going to slide in through the top vents. Then we have a nice wire tether. So if you're really worried about this thing coming off, this is going to be the strap that you want to use. And lastly, we got our selfie stick. So this has a 1/4-20 on the top, and it actually spins from the bottom. So you can hold your GoPro the position that you want it and tighten that up. You don't have to just be spinning the GoPro around. And then we can loosen this up to get some articulation. This does extend out. And that is a pretty good length. And it's nice and light too. So we're looking at about somewhere between 3 and 4 feet. And it has a quarter 20 on the bottom. So if you want to, you can attach this to a tripod to get even more reach. So that is a ridiculously complete set. And honestly, I really like just having the case, because the case, even though it had all that stuff in it, it's actually got spots just for the GoPro. This is going to replace my current set. This has literally everything that I wanted for a GoPro accessory. This is a fantastic kit.